Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw another Heroes of Goo Jitzu character, and today I want to show you guys how to draw Pantaro. Now, to start off with Pantaro, we are going to begin with his eyes. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a little line at a diagonal, and then I'm going to add a little curve right here. And then over on this side, I'm going to leave a little bit of space. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go a little bit higher. And then this time, I want to make the eye a lot bigger than that first one. Then I'm just going to add 2 little black dots for each pupil. Then I'm going to add a little line that curves up on top of each eye just to kind of show where the eyebrow is. And we'll do that for both of them. And then I'm going to add a little curved line at the end. Now, starting here, I want to make a line that goes down and then it's going to go up, kind of like for the little mask. It's going to go right around here and then it's going to go up, down, and then it's just going to curve right around here. Now, starting down here, I want to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out and then up. And then same thing over here, just kind of curve out and then up. You want to leave a little bit of space and draw a sad face on top for the head. Next, draw a line that goes up and down in a triangle shape for the ears. And then I'm going to make a little line here that just kind of goes up and down, just to kind of show where the nose is hidden. Then I'm just going to connect this line right here. Next, starting right here, you want to draw a little line out and then another little line out over here. Then I'm going to draw this line down. And I'm going to draw this line down. Now, starting here, you want to make a little curved line and then a straight line. And then you want to draw this line up to a point, go a little bit higher. Then kind of curve it down to here. And then I'm going to bring it up. Now, over here, I'm just going to stop right here, and then I'm going to start here, and I want to draw a line that goes up. I'm going to draw a line right here that just kind of curves around for the thumb. I want to make a line that goes up. It's going to curve around for one finger, then a little line down. I'm going to make another one that kind of curves around and goes down. One more that curves around and goes down. Then I'm just going to kind of curve it over. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes down. And that's just going to curve in. Now for the body, you want to draw 2 lines that go right down here. Then I'm going to curve this line across. Then make 2 little lines right here and connect them with a curve for the belt. Now, right here, you want to make a line that goes down, and then it's going to kind of curve in. Make another one that kind of goes out and curves in, and then one more. Then you're just going to curve this up. I'm going to do the same thing here, just go down and in. Down and over, and then down and over again, and then just curve up. Then I'm just going to put a little line right across there. Next, I'm going to draw a little line here, and then a little line right here. Then starting here, I'm just going to make a line that's going to go down. And then a line right here that just goes across. I'm going to draw another line right across here, and then one more right down there. Then right here, I'm going to add one curved line and then a second curved line for the glove. And then right here, I want to add their little logo. So I'm going to make kind of like a little U shape. You want to put 4 little dots above it. And then I'm going to draw a circle around it. And then I'm going to put like a couple little splatters of like paint or ink around there. Then I just want to add a little kind of broken line right here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Pantaro from Heroes of Goo Jitzu. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.